Welcome to today's news.
Kolkata Metro Railway is inviting the application for the post of apprentice to fill up 128 vacancies in the organization. Eligible candidates can apply online through the official website of Metro Railway Kolkata at https://mtp.indianrailways.gov.in. The registration process will begin on December 23 and will end on January 22, 2025. For more information, visit the official website https://mtp.indianrailways.gov.in. For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https://studyforsure.com.
Thank you.